Hello and welcome to Higher Consciousness Living. I'm Carole Aileo Ramsay in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Thanks for connecting to your new community, the Healers Network of Virtual Fear. I'm available in room 17 from noon to 6 p.m. today. Join me at 1:05 to heal this lifetime by finding out about a former lifetime. I'll be connecting with you and we will be clearing out some of your karma. My raffle today is a 44 Recalibration Session, which is a 7th dimensional channeling of a collective of Venusians to realign 13 chakras, activate your original DNA blueprint, reconnect with your source, release some fear so that you can be creative, focused, and confident. The value is $444. Come try before you buy. A free 1 to 2 minute visit in my room, number 17, which former lifetime has created havoc in this present lifetime. Past Lives Reveal is a technique I successfully use in all my practices to help release some of your core memories. I am a fully sentient, multidimensional celestial, here to help you integrate your connection with your source, higher consciousness self, to become your own guru. I am an empath, psychic, medium, and channel for humans as well as for pets. I'm the founder of Goddess Touch Incorporated. I teach Usui Reiki, channeling, past lives, and ascension. I'm a mentor of starseeds as well as empaths. So contact me, the energy expert. You can reach me on Facebook under Goddess Touch or my website, goddesstouch.net. So I'll see you later. Thank you.